In this video I will tell you how to change Facebook profile name. So first open Facebook profile and then three dot click. After that find you setting. This is setting. After that click here. Okay, account center. After that profile personal. Choose your profile. I first profile choose and name click, and that any name choose you XYZ. Okay, after that review change, click here and then password. Okay, change. So this is method change how to profile name. So that's it. Video share and like.